Oh man, you know what? Today I'm gonna go walk at the park. Wait a second. Why should I do that? You know what? I'm just gonna take a beautiful morning walk. Nah, I shouldn't do that. Hey, what's that thing over there? What is that? It seems to look like a power switch, so... You know, I don't care. I'm just gonna stop it. Huh? Oh, no. Not this again. Not this crap. Oh, no. Ow. Okay. I'm staying away from that power switch. I need to get rid of it. Let's see if I can get rid of it. Okay, power switch. Time to go. Come on! On you stupid ass! Ugh! Won't move. Gotta get help my friends. Okay, so what seems to be the problem, dude? Okay, right now I'm dealing with some kind of problem. This switch will not move and I can't get rid of it. Whoa. Whoa, you actually have that? Yeah. Dude, those things are so rare. Wait, they are? And nobody ever told me. Yeah, dude, like, seriously. You could get, like, a lot of money. You can sell it, except it won't move. So, yeah. It's a magnetic field. Oh, okay. Bob, do you want to help me? I'm sorry, I can't help you. What about you? I'm too slow today. I can't do it. And how are we gonna get rid of this stupid switch? Dude, the only way we're gonna get rid of this stupid switch is if we use some kind of material, or if we hijack it. We can't just hijack it, you know? That would have been bad. We're gonna need someone tough to get rid of that power switch. Am I tough right now? Oh, what about 2 weeks? Okay, fine. Then, I guess I should be going. I think we should help him. He's not ready for this job, dude. Is that all you ever say, dude? Yeah, dude! Don't say that word again. What's up, dude? Don't make me. What's up, dude? That's it. Okay, you did exactly hit me out of the glass. Ah, that really hurt. Ah, I think I broke my bones. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Man, nobody's helping me at all. Like, seriously, nobody is. Absolutely no one. Hey, Junior. I was just walking with Mario out for a morning walk. Yeah, that's what I was about to do, but you know what? I was stuck with this power switch and my friends couldn't even help me. They said it was too weird. Oh. I could pull that switch off. Wait. Yeah, that's exactly true, Dad. You can actually do that because you're pretty tough, huh? Yep, I can do it. Okay. I see where this is going. Can you, try to, like, trigger it? Well, I'm not going to try to trigger it, Junior. That's impossible. How come? Because if you trigger a power switch, it can automatically burn down your house. That doesn't even make any sense. I know it doesn't even make any sense, Junior, but you just gotta listen. Okay, so what do I need to trigger it with? Go get that knife and trigger it so you can, like, rip it open. Okay, Dad. That's my son. That's my son. Because he is my son. He's my son. He's my son. Dad. Oh, sorry, Junior. My bad. Okay, I got the knife. What's that thing gonna do, dude? Stop saying dude. Ow, you cut me. Did I do it more? No. Slice, slice. Stop it. Ow. Wow. He's such a loser, isn't he? Yeah, he is. Okay, I'm gonna open this. And 3. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Wait, what's going on? What's going on? Oh no. He flew the coop. Yeah, he sure did. That power switch sure did flew the coop. I already said that, so you can't say that. Oops, my bad. No, not you. Prepare to die. Oh no. You must die right now. No! Ow! I'll save you. Huh? Wait, what was that? What? Hey, you look like me. Oh, hey. There. Silence. Hey, he was pretty cool. Not as lame as you. He's a loser. We don't need him. No, I'm gonna walk away. You better not walk away. You will die, and you will not survive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, June. You're trying to save your friend. Well, not for one. Huh? Wait, what's going on? Oh no, I'm flying. Or I'm actually floating. I'm actually floating. Oh, please help me. Someone help me. Ha 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 ha. Who's gonna save you now? I will. Oh crap. Is that Marty? Wait, how do you know my friend's name? Nothing. Good, that's what I like to hear. Save my ass, Marty. I'll save you, dude. Whoa. No. Alert. Danger. He's about to explode. If I die, you won't come to my funeral. If I die, I guess heaven's worth it. If I die, I guess this means I'm gonna party. Oh yeah, forever. I'm gonna party. Yeah, forever. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up. Oh, if I die, then I guess I'll have dirty feet. Wow. That is really stupid. Junior, for the record, that's not stupid. And second of all, having dirty feet is like really cool. The girls will like you and all that. Probably heaven, probably. Yeah, we should make the sacrifice right now. Well, this is our big moment. Dun. In 5, 4, 3, 2. It's a pipe. Let's get out. Yo. Come on, you can escape. Dun. Oh, I'm gonna get in. Yo. Well, they left me here. 1. The end. More new episodes and videos coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed that video today. The video was pretty funny. Because Bowser Jr.'s friends are back in the video. All of his friends, and hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. Make sure you put the like, comment, subscribe, and we're trying to make 100 subscribers, and I know I can do it, guys. I know I can, because I have a feeling it's gonna happen. So see you guys next time, and bye.